Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This channel will go over different ways that you can create calendars, planners, and journals that you can sell online on places like Amazon KDP, Etsy, social media, or your own website. And just to show you how fast you can create a planner or a journal, well, in this situation, I'm going to create a journal that will sell on, that I can sell on Amazon KDP. This page right here isn't the size that I would normally use for my KDP journals, but I'm using this as an example. I didn't count the lines for the sake of the video, but I just want to show you how fast you can have a product that you can sell online and create an income for yourself. And I know this doesn't look like much, but with time and effort, I can make this a bestseller. I have done pretty good on Etsy selling planners, printable planners, and I have started on Amazon KDP selling printed journals. And normally, what I do for my journals is I just take something as simple as a template like this, add a little bit more to it, make it 100 pages or more, and that's it. Create pretty cover pages and list them to sell. And I use Canva for all of my designs. And just that fast. I could take something like this, even though I would definitely not use this to try to sell it, but it's just this simple. But something like this, I would definitely use it. Change the color maybe. You can also change the color on your lines. And this channel will go into details on all of that. Thank you for watching, like, and subscribe.